Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Solutions Nerds. In this video, I am going to show you how you can solve this simple problem in Java. You can implement that in your own language. So what is the problem? So we have array of integer which is numbers and also integer target, and we need to return the index of two numbers when we add up those two numbers and equals to target. For example, we have numbers array here which is 1 2 3 4 5, and the target is add, and we need to add two numbers from this numbers array, and when equals to target we need to return the indexes of it. In here you can see 3 and 5. When we add these two numbers we got add, and the index of 3 is 2 and the index of 5 is 4. We need to return that, but keep in mind we are not allowed to add the same index with itself. Now how you can do that? So in here we will say I will declare a function, so static, and it will return an int array, and in the name will be get indexes, and we will pass two parameters. The first one will be integer numbers which is an array, and also the target, so in the name will be target. Now we need a third array to return that. So we will say int array which will be answer is equal to new int, and right now we will pass 0 here. Now to add the numbers of the same array we need two nested loop. I will use for loop here. So I will say for, we'll say int I is equal to 0, I is less than the array which is numbers dot length and I plus plus. Now nested loop I will say for and j is equal to 0, j is less than the array which is numbers dot length and j plus plus. Now in here we need to add the I with j, and we got our values or not. So for that I will say if we will target the number index, so we'll say index I and then plus nums index j, and double is equal to target, so we will get our target. But in here we promise that we will not add same index with itself. So for that, and I is not equal to j, then we got our target here, and here we will return our answer, and the answer is equal to new and the values will be I comma j. But we know our indexes, but in here I want to print the values, so I will say south, and to print the value I will say numbers dot I, then plus empty string, then comma space, then plus and nums, and here we will pass j, and also I will need to return answer here. Now in here let's call it in the main function. So in main function we will say we need to declare integer array, and that will be nums equal to new int, and the values will be for example 6 7 8 9 and 10. And also we need an integer target, and let's make it 19 here. Now in here we need to print our values, so we'll say south, and here we need to convert the array to string, so we'll use arrays.toString which is built in Java function. In here we will call our get indexes, and we need to pass the nums array and also the target. And now let's run it. We solved the problem or not, so let's run it. Now in here you can see we add 9 with 10, and we got our target which is 19, and the index of 9 is 3 and the index of 10 is 4, and we solve our problem. If you have any question, comment down below. Hope you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.